So open your Gumroad account, then click products. So click new product. So you can choose what type of your product you're selling. For example, digital product, course, or anything. So me, for example, I will click the course or tutorial. Then for the product name, I will put Photoshop tutorial. So after that, just type your price down here and then click this. Then here you can add a product description. So you can customize your product URL. This will be your shareable link. So you need to upload your cover photo. So the recommended size is 1280 by 720 pixels. And for your thumbnail photo, 600 by 600 pixels. So you'll see a preview here on the right side as you edit. So after filling out everything, just click publish and then you're done.